All right.
Let me get it. Okay, let me go. Are we ready for this shit?
What's going on? Party motherfucking people, it's your boy Just Jordan weighing in at 197.4 pounds. We have broken the plateau finally. Brand new low. It's been a pretty decent month. We've come a long way. We still, we're reaching that 175. That's the goal. We finally broke that plateau, and it seems like we're gonna keep trending down here. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling focused. My sleep has improved. We woke up. We got on the treadmill. Had a couple cups of coffee, and went for a nice long run. I was gonna lift, but I decided the running was feeling good. I was going to lift today, but cardio felt so good, so I decided to push it. Like a 90-minute hardcore cardio session. I'm feeling good, so we'll lift tomorrow. I haven't weighed in quite yet, but we will weigh in pretty soon here. I'll either get into a hot bath or a hot sauna. But wow, I don't know what it is. I think it was just a good rest that I had. That, man, my skin is starting to clear up. I had a good sleep. I woke up feeling very good. So yeah, I might start to add in a little bit more carbohydrates, and we'll see what how the scale reflects today, and we'll kind of go from there. But man, I mean, my mom is also feeling better, so that's a huge stress too. So I'm sure it's a combination of all those things. So felt really good to kind of hit a full body in a stretch yesterday, and feels really good to be just sweating and running today. All right, so I just got out of the bath. I did a 30-minute hot bath. Before that, I ran I think 10K. And it felt great. I felt energized this morning. My body felt really good running. Yeah, it was just, I'm glad I ran. I was going to lift today, but I'm glad I just decided to lock in and run today. Finally broke that plateau. We're in 197.4 pounds. We'll be at 196 for sure by the end of this week. We'll be at least 195 by the end of this month, but I'm going to try to push it as close to 190 as possible while still trying to keep up this energy level. I just got my sleep back. We slept pretty good last night. We'll eat pretty clean tonight. And yeah, we'll see where the rest of the week takes us. Just drinking some snake juice right now. Yeah, feeling really good, especially because I drank so much fluids today. I had 2 coffees and maybe a half a liter of water, if not a liter of water, while I was running, and I still clocked in at that 197.4 pounds. So I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling just locked in. I was emotionally and physically exhausted the end of last week, but starting this week off feeling great mentally, physically, emotionally, and very focused in, man. Very, very focused in. So I got a lot of cool music. I'm thinking about dropping some more music soon, which has me excited too. I have a couple of tracks that people are pretty excited about that have heard it. I'm always sharing tracks with people I feel comfortable with, but because I'm always working on music, but it doesn't always come out. But I think it's time soon for some stuff to come out. Yeah, feeling good, man. I'm really looking forward to the rest of the week. Man, it's important to rest. It's important to rest. Rest, get your focus, and then come back at it strong. Never lose sight of the goal, but rest is not quitting ever. Just remember that. Rest is not quitting. All right, I'm going to chill out for a little bit, and then it's time to eat. Yeah, feeling good, man. Thank you to everyone watching and everything. The channel's still growing. We hit as soon as we got monetized, it seemed like the channel took a hit. Views went down, everything went down. but it seems like we're climbing back up again, getting our subscribers. We're almost at 2,100 again, or not again, for the first time. So we're growing. Our views are getting up there again. Everything's growing again. So I'm feeling blessed, lucky, and grateful. All right, let's keep going. All right, more love, more success. Remember, Olympus. You can buy that pre-order. Link is in every description of every video. All right, more love, more success. All right, I know it's a strange meal, but this is what I'm eating tonight. I got about 800 calories in that container of ground meat, maybe pretty close to 1,000. It's ground chicken, tortilla chips, and mango lime salsa. It's about, I would say, probably close to 90 grams of protein. I got a couple slices of pizza that were just left around. I thought I would eat them to get a little bit more carbs. I'd say maybe 400 or 500 more calories, maybe another 20, 30 grams of protein for, I would say, pretty close to 1,500 calories and 130 grams of protein about. Not too bad. I wasn't too hungry today. All right. More love, more success, y'all.